It's 3:50 p.m. and nakapag-freshen up na kami. And may good news kasi yung TV namin nasira. Papalitan daw ng owner later. So makakapag-watch na kami ng Netflix. Yay! Yeah. So tuloy na yung watching namin ng horror movies later. Right now, naglalaro lang sila ng chess and nagluluto ng pasta. Alis na po kami. Pumunta kami ng church para makapag-tirik ng kandila si Arnie, yung sister ko. And then, bibili kami ng food for later. Take 2. So, we are going to the bee farm. Bee farm as in bee na bubuyog. And we are going to have ice cream. Masarap na yung ice cream doon kasi it's something special. Like, we are now at the Bohol Bee Farm. We are going to get some ice cream. Bohol Bee Farm. Matahimik dito.
Dali lang. Didala ka mo.
Kala ko maraming tao. Since ito ay isang bee farm, I expect na marami ditong bees. And birds. Maraming birds. Ito. Merong tuko. May tuko ba, ER? Nakikita mo ba? Nasa labas? Or Bohol Bee Farm. May nakita akong something interesting. Meron ditong parang art na made of slippers. Ang galing. And I think yun na yung ice cream. Sabihan ko sila. Ganito nakalagay, number 1 ice cream production. Dito kaya mag-start. Na-picture si Mama. So meron talaga itong mga sites for picture taking lang. Like ganito. Love grows here.
Mara.
Sorry.
1, 2, 3. Sige.
Homemade ice cream with fresh coconut milk and gluten-free kasama. While they are ordering, nag-ikot-ikot muna ako dito. May nakita lang akong Bohol Bee Farm. Signage. So they only have a few people here, few visitors. It's a good thing kasi we got the whole place to ourselves. Order na po kami. Anong in-order nyo? Merong peanut kisses, salted caramel, malunggay, melon, durian.
Magdawa na lang ito.
Nakakuha na ako, but palanggal na siya. I ordered charcoal and malunggay.
Bawal itong nasa magkakitun.
Hindi magaling ang pagkakalagay.
Alam, manay siya.
Naubos ko na. Charcoal, kaya black yung message. So visiting the Bohol Bee Farm has been an eye-opening experience. Although hindi namin nakita yung bee, yung honey production, it's not just about bees and farming, it's about sustainable living. So supporting local communities and enjoying the simple pleasures of life. This one is highly recommended for your Bohol itinerary. So dapat lang siguro open siya para nyo makita yung lahat. Open dito, gumagawa sila ng bees at saka organic pala yung ice cream na kinain namin kanina. Okay, so before we wrap up, let's check out their souvenir shop. I think they have from honey and herbal teas to handmade crafts. There's a variety of eco-friendly products to take home. You can see the souvenir shop na. So these are all organic. So, they also have handmade crafts over here. These are shoes, slippers, or sandals. Also, meron pa pala doon. Mga bags. Okay, so let's... The restaurant is over here. So, check ko lang kung hindi naman kami dito kakain. But since nandito na ako, why not? Ang tahimik. Yung ice cream production pala is up to 5 p.m. lang. Kaya, sarado na siya nung dumating kami. Ano na naman pala dito? This is the restaurant. May tao ako. And it's beside the sea. There's a blue sea. Check mo nga. Wala. May mga mangroves. Pwede mo ba? May viewing deck pala sa baba. So, pupuntahan ko. Ano tao? Parang low tide. Hindi ko na sinabi ko na mama kasi bumibili ko sila sa taas o sa lubong. So I'm alone now. Sea urchins in grassy portion. So medyo low tide. Maganda din natin dito. Yung restaurant is nasa taas. Ganda. May tao din. At least hindi ko nag-iisa. Sea urchins in the grassy portion, please wear booties. Ah, okay. So maraming sea urchins siguro. Yun. May mga group of andun, travelers, explorers. So quiet here. Okay, I'm going back na. Hinahanap na siguro nila ako kung saan saan ako nagpupunta. Pero buti napuntahan ko to. Meron pala ditong part na Bohol Bee Farm. Pabalik na ako. Medyo hiningal ako pag-climb ng steps. Parang ganun yun eh. Sobrang bilisan ko siguro. Mga bata. Balik na ako sa kanila. Hello, Mami. Pumunta pa ng restaurant.
Restaurant. May restaurant pala doon.
Meron doon, viewing deck sa baba. Marami doon seagrass. And mangroves. Okay. Since hindi pa tapos pumili ang pasalubong yung sister ko, nag-ikot ulit ako at may nakita akong ganito. They have a cycled art by Pedro Angco. So if you're into arts or anything related to arts, collector, so you can check this out. And beside this one, there's a few furniture shop. Furniture shop. So it's closed na ngayon kasi it's late na. And they also have bag making. So some of the bags that are on display doon sa souvenir shop, ito ginagawa. So yung mga binibenta doon is sila talaga yung gumagawa. Oh, may way pala dito from the restaurant. Shortcut. Galing pala ako doon kanina. Muna tayo sa ibang place. Lakad-lakad lang. Fresh squash bread, 260 per loaf. Pigum. Ikot lang ako. I think doon kami nag-park. Doon banda. Okay. Yan. Na-map ko na yung area. Ang peaceful dito. So green. It helps cool the world. Cool the world. Kasi trees nga are carbon storage. Pag naisip ko, pag nakikita ko ng trees, talagang naisip na carbon storage sila. Okay. From the start na ako. It's almost dark now. Thank you, Bohol Bee Farm. See you again next time. I'll visit again for the ice cream and honey. Dito na kami ngayon sa St. Agustin Church. Close na siya sa front, but I think pwede kaming dumaan sa side para makapagsindi ng kandila. Kasi family tradition siya sa amin na pag birthday, magpirit ng kandila sa simbahan. Doon, pero walang kandila. Okay, I think that's the watchtower. Mukha siyang watchtower eh. Or lighthouse. Dito kami sa likod. So while waiting for Clyde to buy the candles, so while waiting, katabi ng St. Agustin Church, mayroon lang so tama, confirmed. Yan yung watchtower. So hindi na kami kailangan pumunta dito tomorrow. So behind lang siya ng St. Agustin. Yan. We're here at the historic St. Agustin Church in Panglao, Bohol. So this beautiful church dates back to the Spanish colonial era and stands as a testament to the island's rich history. Sadly, closed na siya, so hindi na kami nakapasok. But from what I've seen online, maganda yung niya, yung loob, architecture, yung design. So tingin tayo dito sa window. Yun yung sample. Ang ganda ng ceiling. The Panglao Watchtower was built in 1851. So this is a 5-story hexagonal tower made of cut stone and is reputedly the tallest of its kind in the Philippines. Originally, it served as a lookout to guard against pirates and invaders. The architecture here is stunning with coral stone walls and a serene atmosphere. It's amazing to see how well preserved these structures are, offering a glimpse in the past. Watchtower. Tina-preserve talaga siya. Hindi siya nasira kahit nagkaroon ng mga earthquakes, typhoons. Done na kami for today. So, hindi kami nakabili ng ground pork for the spaghetti. Ano kayang alternatives namin? But magstay na lang kami sa Airbnb namin. And then, have some drink, play Uno. And tomorrow, babalik na kami to Cebu. Sa front na ako ng St. Agustin. Liwanag dito. It's night time and everyone is busy getting ready for dinner. Love you. Start na kami ng birthday celebration ng sister ko. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday happy!
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Ow,
happy
ow,
birthday to you.
Wow!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wow!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, the candle.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Taon na!
Sige, ka na. Kanan ta. Para manuman.
Tapos na maghugas ng mga pinggan. The party is over. And now it's time for the horror movie. Drinks. Yun. Miho's asleep or pagod. ER. Then we're going to watch Prom Queen. Fear Street Prom Queen. Okay, play na.